Japan's Prime Minister Shinzo Abe has sought understanding from the Japanese public for his request to temporarily close elementary, junior high and high schools across the country in light of the spread of the new coronavirus.
Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So Shoni here. It's Monday afternoon now and I just came from the supermarket. I went to the supermarket on Friday and I didn't leave my apartment at all Saturday nor Sunday. Oh, the train is passing. A train is always passing when I'm recording. The latest updates on the coronavirus situation in Japan. The Prime Minister has requested that schools be closed in March. So in my area, schools will be closed March 3rd to 13th. But the teachers are still required to go to work. Now, that makes sense. Talking in the mask is so annoying. Yeah, so pretty much my company said that we teachers have to go to work even though the kids aren't going to be there, and in return for us risking our lives, they're going to send out thermometers so that we can check our temperatures. You ever seen nothing like that yet? Anyway, so that's the latest. And also people have been buying tissues like crazy, so it's very hard for people to get tissues now. So like I said, I went to the supermarket on Friday. I wanted to go on Saturday, but my friend said go on Friday because everything is running out. People are buying stuff like crazy, especially tissue and sanitary napkins and stuff like that. But when I went there, I'm gonna be inserting some pictures. When I went there weren't any, and luckily I bought tissue like a 12-pack the week before, so I never needed to buy any. So that's a good thing for me. But I bought some other stuff and I'm going to show you guys how I've been preparing myself just in case there's a lockdown in Japan. Yeah, so I bought stuff and I'm actually going to put these things down and head to the convenience store, because I've been going to the convenience store every day after work to buy water, because I don't drink the tap water. I drink bottled water. But I recorded a video yesterday. I'm gonna be inserting the video in this thing. So this is Monday and I recorded the video that I'm gonna be showing you guys. I recorded that on Sunday, which is yesterday. Okay, I literally have like 3 of these left, so I'm pretty low on mask. But I bought this Jamaican mask, which I'm very anxious to wear. So this is supposed to be more effective than this one. So this is actually damp right now because I washed it. I'm washing it before I wear it. So I'm gonna be a pro Jamaican wearing this mask. I bought 2 cases of water from Amazon Japan. I'm gonna leave the link below, so if you want to buy water you can. But apparently I selected the labelless bottles, so there are no labels on this thing. So yeah, I got, that's what, 9. So 9 in each box. I got 2 boxes. So this is my, what do you call this, my cupboard. In addition to the 2 cases that I have, I also have these bottles. So these are what I usually buy from my convenience store close to my house. But because it's so heavy, the bottles are so heavy to carry, I usually just buy a few each time. I went to the supermarket and I stocked up on some veggies and stuff like that. I don't like to buy things in bulk, but I guess I don't have a choice. So look at these bananas. I need to make like a fruit smoothie with these because like they're going bad. So yeah, I'm stocked up. I have eggs and I forgot to buy bread. So I have to go back to the supermarket tomorrow when I go to work to buy bread and garlic and maybe oil. But other than that, I think I'm set. I'm pretty good for like the month, and I have 3 weeks worth of chicken. Yeah, and I don't buy cow's milk anymore, so I use almond milk. I buy this on Amazon Japan, so I'm gonna leave the link for this below as well. So yeah, I have my ice cream, I have my strawberries, I have bread, 3 packs at that, and also garlic. Oh my god, these people give me defective refrigerator. Oh boy. Okay, let me try this again. Okay, I probably need to put this at the bottom. But yeah, so bread, I have only one, well, this avocado left. I love avocado, I love pear. Up here I have a lot of food, like I bought 6 packs of yakisoba, instant yakisoba, so I just need to add water. I bought some cup of cereal, so like 3 packs of these. And this thing is very, very filling. I had it last night. I never needed to eat anything else. I have 2 big packs of rice, which should serve for like a month. I use 1 pack. 1 pack can serve me for 2 weeks. And I have 2 packs, and I have some other leftover there. I have 2 packs of sugar up here. I don't really use sugar that much, but yeah. And I don't know that I'm supposed to buy tin food, right? But I don't know what to buy because I don't know what I'm buying. So when I use Google Translate, it said that this is chicken. So yeah, and I don't like this canned food here, so I just decided to buy that, you know, to be safe if anything, and I have to stay in for like more than a month. Oh, it actually looks better without the light. Yeah, so like I said, this is like my 1 month's supply of food, and I think this probably gonna serve me more than 1 month. I don't like buying food in bulk because I don't eat a lot and it's gonna spoil, but hopefully I won't let that happen. Yeah, so that's that. You have literally watched the entire video, so why not subscribe? It's free. And while you're at it, follow me on Instagram. The link is below. Thank you. Bye guys.